Okay, so you create a seamless texture for the tree trunks, and I'm not going to show you that. You know that by heart. We've done many of them. Mine is out of a pattern now right here. It's scaled properly in the proper size. And what we need to do is extract a map to that. So if we look right here, this is how it looks like right now, which is not the way we want it. Alright, so we want to unwrap it properly. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to select it, and we're going to give it a UV map planner, and we're going to select whatever we want pretty much. It doesn't really matter. Let's say we take a Z and we click. Make sure it's not create UVs, that it's not there, so reset that to make sure, and then go to Z and then apply it. Alright, now you can see it as that shape right here, and you rescale it the size it should be. Alright, and after that, what you're gonna do, you're gonna export it. Alright, so you're gonna go polygon right here, and you're gonna go UV snapshot, simple, and you're gonna take the proper size. 256 by 256 should work just fine, and we call it UV map, so we go UV 256 by 256. Alright, that's fine. We click save, and we're gonna give it a name. That's what we did. PNG right here, it would be an IFF for you. You need to change it to PNG. That's very important, and that's pretty much it. And then you click OK. Alright, now in Photoshop right here, you are going to open that file. So go open, and we go to the UV 256 by 256 PNG. We click open, and it appears right there. Let's zoom in a little bit, and you can see it slightly, but it's hard to see. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a new layer. So we go right here, we create new layers. Oops, sorry, that's the group right here, and we're gonna drop it under it, and we're gonna make it like a dark gray or a black. All right, and we're gonna fill it up. Right. Oops, sorry, I'm in pattern right here, and now we're gonna make another new layer, and we're going to use that to actually put the texture into it. Okay, so what we do is we go where the UV map is right there, and with the CTRL on our keyboard, we click and over the little windows to select that. All right, that worked pretty well, but that's not the best way. If you deselect that and you go to the magic wand right here, you click outside it, you got to be in the proper layer, and you select part of it, and make sure you're adding in the boolean, and you select the other one, and then you select inverse, and you get only the outside, which is what we want. Now you're going to the proper layer under it now, and you're going to go to the bucket and change your option from foreground to patterns, and you're going to change that. You're going to select that pattern you just created about it, all right, and put it in right here. All right, it's that simple. All right, now you got the tree. What you do is you get rid of everything. All right, and you're going to save as a JPEG. All right, so we do 2 and then we go JPEG right here, and make sure we put JPEG right here too, so we can recognize. I'll put just a G for JPEG, and I'll save that. Make sure no compression on that one, and I'll go back to Maya. Now in Maya, we've done our work, so we're pretty ready to go. Basically, what happened is now we are gonna right click, select the complete object, right click on it, and go to put it a Boolean. Alright, or Lambert. Actually, we'll put a Lambert on that one. We don't need much reflection on it. And in the color channel, we're gonna select it, get to the file, and select the file we just did, and click open right here. Alright, and we have a seamless tree. Alright, the tree trunk is ready to go like that, and now you will just have to add your branches that we've done earlier to your tree, and you will get a palm tree or whatever tree you want to do. Alright, now and adjust it properly, obviously, and so forth. Okay, now let me explain to you a couple more things if you're doing different type of trees. So let's go into trees right here. Alright, let's say that is a good example like that. A little different type of tree. This is the other type of tree. Now in that type of tree, you're not gonna go just doing a little branch by a branch. You're gonna do a big ones right here. So you would choose a big branch, all right, like that, and you would do the same exact trick that I've done, all right. Or you can make a sphere right here of the whole thing and texture that sphere. You know, 3/4 sphere, a full sphere, a half sphere, depending on the shape of it, and texture it with an alpha channel, basically, as you know before, and basically get the transparency by using a PNG. So you basically would detour it and get all the white out and make it twice as long, basically, like I did multiple times, kind of a seamless texture with holes in it. It's no big deal. And then you would apply that to that round shape sphere. That works pretty well. Okay, that's pretty much it. So you guys are good to go. This is the part for the tree trunks. Okay, take it easy, guys.